Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's episode, March 22nd, 2026. I'm just going to be going for a morning walk down to the beach here in Nha Trang. Take you on a small walkity. What do you say? Nha Trang is a small little beach town, about an hour flight south of Da Nang, a couple hours north of Saigon. But this city is overrun with Russians, so this is like a little Russia. Whereas other cities are little Koreas or little Japans. Every city has their own population. It's freaking bright this morning. Highland Coffee right here to our left. And then you got Starbucks in the Vinpearl Mall to the right. And a really fun spot is going to be right here across the street at Sailing Club. Let me go ahead and cross this street for you. Yeah, go. There we go. So, Sailing Club is a really epic. Let me see if I could just walk through here. It's an epic restaurant and bar. Too much air conditioning. Morning. I can just walking. Cool. So this place is so epic. You got lounge beds, beach access, and they've got live music and uns at the nighttime. Super cool. Yeah, let's take a look at this sunrise real quick. Oh, they're making it ready for a party. They got the sand groomed. Yeah, here we are at Sailing Club at 7 in the morning. Looks a lot different at midnight. I'm out here. I'm gonna try to find myself a pull-up bar. They have some calisthenics machines. Oh, that ocean looks nice. Oh, hey guys, check this out. Look at this cool freaking sculpture. Look at that. Morning, sir. That's pretty cool. They're getting all the beautiful little, what are these called? Umbrellas ready. I'm gonna try to do like 50 pull-ups this morning. Get my freaking self back in shape. I had a really ugly week in Da Nang. Just drinking too much, eating not so good. So I gotta reset this body and mind, get things back in order. It's a nice running path here in Nha Trang. You just got this paved walkway where you can probably get a couple miles in for sure. Oh, they're playing badminton over here. Oh, we got a puppy. It's a Russian puppy. Well, here's the view of Nha Trang Beach Walk, guys. Here's where I'm gonna do my pull-ups. Right here. On this thing. I think there's actual workout equipment another couple kilometers down. But I'm gonna stop here and stretch and wake up and get my body flowing. Let me walk to the beach one more time for you before we say goodbye. So this is Nha Trang, March 22nd, 2026. Thanks for tuning in. Maybe I'll take you on a journey to one of these rooftops down the road here later tonight. Maybe for dinner and get a lobster. Well, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you've been around a while, drop a comment for more travel related content. Arigato gozaimasu.